C'est une expression qui vient des prostituées, les amis. J'ai appris ça hier parce que je recherchais. Ça venait d'où, là? C'est assez spécial, mais c'est cool comme expression. Mais... Anyway, let's go. Fait que... Oh, what's up? What's up, T3 IX 89? Ok, c'est parti. Fait que, ouais, let's go. Donc, first thing first, on va aller aujourd'hui apprendre. C'était qui le gars? Faut que je le retrouve. Qui faisait ça? Qui faisait des websites. Il s'appelle comment? Latest. Non, c'était pas lui. Christian. WTC. Ok, c'est parti. Donc, est-ce que j'ai set mon... By the way, tu parles-tu français? Je sais pas si t'es encore là. T3 IX89. Stream setting. Back. Bon, c'est parti.
Make 30K a month selling websites to businesses that take me 30 minutes to make. I work about 1 to 2 hours a day from my computer, and I can do this anywhere.
Ok, nice. Nice. Fait que ouais, ce que je fais en ce moment, c'est juste apprendre là. C'est jour zéro. Fait que learning phase. Question pour toi aussi, est-ce qu'on entend mon ordinateur? Si mettons, attends.
In the world. Here's how to do it. And this is something that you can
Ok, nice. Je pense que ouais, t'entends ce que j'entends aussi là.
start today and make money by tomorrow. We're at $900 on the day and $8,000 this week. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and go to the group section. You're gonna look up any home service business. There's a ton of different businesses you can choose from.
Ah, trop fort, ok, merci. Je le descends. Est-ce que ma voix est trop forte? Là, je l'ai descendu un peu. Attends, tac. Chat. Ah, ok, parfait. Je vais remettre ma voix. Le PC maintenant, tu me dis?
Go with pressure washing for this video. All you're gonna do is scroll through the members list, and you're gonna find business owners that don't have a website in their bio. This group has over 130.
Encore trop fort? Ok. Excuse-moi, je prends mon temps. C'est la première fois que je fais un stream, là. Mais son dégueu du PC, là. Ah, fuck. Le son du PC, attends. Check, je vais le mettre vraiment pas fort. Puis tu me dis.
80,000 business owners. Once you found a business owner in that website, you're going to send them a copy and paste message that you made them a free website preview. If they're interested, we're going to make them that website preview with AI. You're going to head over to Go High Level. They have a 14-day free trial. I'll put a link in my bio if you guys want to use it. It's one I made today for a pool remodeling company. So you built that preview, you're going to send the business owner a 2-minute Loom going over their website. It's like a pre-recorded Zoom call. So instead of having to hop on a 30-minute meeting every time, you can just send them the video right away. You send that video, you're going to pitch it to that business owner for $1,000. I do 500 up front, and then I'll do 500 once it's done.
Ok, ok. Hmm. My bad, là, c'est mon premier stream encore une fois, so. Je suis en train d'apprendre là comment ça marche. Aussi, c'est con là. Moi, je regarde les messages que tu m'envoies. Ils sont tous traduits, genre en anglais. Fait que j'essaie de regarder ça sur mon autre écran, là. Comment je peux faire pour les voir? Parce que je pense que tu m'écris en français, là. Ouais, attends. Je vais essayer de trouver comment ça marche parce que je suis genre sur OBS Studio. Studio, tac. Tac. Tu viens d'où, là? Settings. Ok. Docs. Browser docs. Stats. Ah, nice. Nice. Bon. Puis tu fais quoi? T'as un business? Tu travailles? T'es à l'école? Qu'est-ce que tu fais dans la vie? Custom browser docs. Nice. Très nice. Donc tu travailles avec Claude, là. Tu utilises Claude Code ou quel outil tu utilises? Donc, ah, nice. Nice. Ben écoute, ça peut peut-être t'intéresser ce que je vais faire là. Moi, j'ai déjà un business. J'ai déjà un business en. en montage vidéo. Puis je cherche des autres types de business, là. Ok, c'était pas ça ici. Ça m'a juste donné le stream, ça m'a pas donné les chats. Ah, t'as vu mes vidéos sur les fonds de farm? Nice. Ouais, je vais plus pouvoir faire de vidéos là-dessus trop là, à cause que... à cause qu'ils m'ont... Ils m'ont flagué, là. J'ai eu peur de perdre mon compte pour de vrai. J'arrive un matin, là, tac, ils me disent faut que t'enlèves 14 vidéos de ta page, faut que t'archives les vidéos, sinon, tu sais, t'as été flagué, là. Je suis comme, ok, je vais arrêter de faire des vidéos là-dessus parce que je veux pas perdre mon Instagram, là. Ok, service YouTube, connect account. Stream, service YouTube. Attends, pourquoi ça marche pas, hein? Tac. Ouais, j'ai envie peut-être d'en faire un éventuellement, mais le truc, c'est que moi, je suis encore quand même nouveau à ça, là, pour être franc. Ça fait comme, je suis rendu au jour 77, je pense, depuis que j'ai commencé mon aventure avec les fonds de farm. Donc, en ce moment, je suis en mode testing, là. Genre, je poste avec mes téléphones, surtout du clipping. Mais je veux dire, j'attends de voir des résultats concrets avant de dire, tu sais, je pourrais montrer aux gens comment utiliser, mais honnêtement, tu sais, j'aimerais ça avoir du revenu avant de commencer à promouvoir trop une formation ou quelque chose que je vends, là. Je sais pas si ça fait du sens. Mais toi, t'as acheté une ferme? T'en as-tu un? Combien de dépenses par mois? C'est pour moi, j'achète des proxys. Donc, une fois que tu as acheté le farm, tu sais, ça me coûte, je sais pas, peut-être 30 dollars en ce moment. J'ai acheté une dizaine de proxys ISP. Ça dépend parce que tu sais, il y en a qui disent, tu sais, comme selon mes recherches là, plus que tu mets de téléphone sur le même proxy, plus que tu es à risque de te faire découvrir, donc plus tu es à risque de te faire bannir. Donc là, tu sais, entre qu'est-ce qui est dit sur Internet puis qu'est-ce que c'est la réalité, c'est souvent deux choses. Parce que, parce que ça change tout le temps. Donc moi, je veux juste tester, voir, puis je vais décider après. Donc, en gros, en ce moment, je teste deux téléphones par proxy. Comme ça, je veux pas payer non plus tu sais, trop là pour refaire des tests. SIM card parce que moi je suis au Pérou. Parce que moi je suis au Pérou, donc le truc avec ça, c'est que si je posterais sur le Wi-Fi ou les SIM du Pérou, ben TikTok, je vais apparaître au Pérou. Donc j'essaye de voir avec des proxys pour apparaître dans d'autres pays. Mais supposément qu'Instagram, ça change rien. Donc de ce que j'ai compris, Instagram, ça change rien. YouTube, ça change rien. Mais TikTok, oui, je l'ai vu, là. Quand je poste du Pérou, j'apparais au Pérou. Quand je poste avec un proxy, j'apparais à la location de mon proxy. Yes. Yes, c'est nice le Pérou, là. J'habite là-bas, j'ai ma famille, tout ça. Ah merde, il veut pas m'envoyer le truc. Ok, fuck ça, là. J'arrête de checker ça pour l'instant. Je sais pas si c'est pas nécessaire. Oh, you just need a video ID. Get in, open your live stream on YouTube. Watch X. Ouais. Ouais, je suis québécois. Toi, tu veux l'utiliser pour quoi, le fond de farm?
Alright, so I'm 20 years old. I make 30K a month selling websites to businesses that take me 30 minutes to make. I work about 1 to 2 hours a day from my computer, and I can do this anywhere in the world. Here's how to do it. And this is something that you can start today and make money by tomorrow. We're at $900 on the day, $8,000 this week. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and go to the group section. You're gonna look up any home service business. There's a ton of different businesses you can choose from. Show the pressure watching for this video. All you're gonna do is scroll through the members list, and you're gonna find business owners that don't have a website in their bio. This group has over 130,000 business owners. Once you found a business owner in that website, you're gonna send them a copy and paste message that you made them a free website preview. If they're interested, we're gonna make them that website preview with AI. You're gonna head over to Go High Level. They have a 14-day free trial. I'll put the link in my bio if you guys want to use it. It's one I made today for a remodeling company. So you put that preview, you're gonna send the business owner a 2-minute loom going over their website. It's like a pre-recorded Zoom call. So instead of having to hop on a 30-minute meeting every time, you can just send them the video right away. Send that video, you're gonna pitch it to that business owner for $1,000. I do 500 up front, and I'll do 500 once it's done. And then once the site's up, I'll charge them $49 to $99 a month to host and maintain the website. That's the best part about this business model is because you get paid every single month just to have their site up. And it really covers all your payments. I have a full guide breaking all this down. If you guys want me to send over, just follow me and then
Ben moi, je pense que pour moi, en tout cas, l'utilisation que je vais en faire, c'est poster, là. Poster sur les réseaux sociaux, puis avoir plus de vues. Mais ça, il faut que tu sois capable de faire beaucoup de contenu. Sinon, les autres utilisations, habituellement, c'est comme des trucs un peu semi-légal, là, voire illégal, genre des fermes de clics. Donc tu fais juste comme regarder des vidéos en boucle pour leur donner plus de vues. Puis sinon, ben ça c'est pas des trucs qui m'intéressent trop. Sinon, les gens de OnlyFans, ils utilisent ça, là, les gens qui veulent aussi avoir plusieurs comptes pour leur modèle, là. Mais bon, ça aussi c'est un truc que m'intéresse moins. Ok, envoyer ça ici sur Instagram. Pack. Yep. Ouais, j'ai acheté en Chine.
if you're watching this, you've probably seen some of my videos and you're interested in selling websites to local businesses. In this group, I'm going to show you guys how I went from 0 to 30K a month at 20 years old using my laptop and some free AI tools. You're going to get my full guide that's broken down into 6 different video modules that you can just copy step by step. You're going to cover everything that's not on my Instagram. So how to pick a high ticket niche, how to make your website functional, how to reach out to clients, how to close clients, how to handle everything on the back end. There's much more, but it's literally everything that you need to hit 10K a month in recurring revenue. On top of that, you're going to get access to my Discord, where we currently have 180 members in the group that are getting results every single day. The amount of people in the group that have hit $1,000 to $2,000 in their first week is actually crazy. I constantly post results on my story and also put some down below if you guys want to check them out. The goal of this group is to help you get your first client in 7 days and give you a repeatable system that you can use over and over. If you guys have any questions, feel free to message me on Instagram. I also answered some common questions down below if you guys want to check those out. But if you're looking for a real way to make consistent monthly income and you want someone to help you along the way, this is the place for you. Click join now and I'll see you guys inside.
Puis c'était pas mal le son. Je suis curieux le son de l'ordi, là. Comment ça a sorti? Ah ouais. Mais tu penses qu'il y a de quoi à faire de mon côté ou c'est juste comme. C'est juste ça, là? Attends, j'ai peut-être une bonne idée, là. Je vais aller checker sur le. Tac, je vais envoyer ça à mon sel. Ah, ok. C'est l'hiver. Mais bon, l'hiver, il fait pas trop froid. Je sais pas, honnêtement, je regarde pas trop la température, mais un chandail dans la soirée, un t-shirt dans la journée. Ouais, j'ai essayé de descendre mon microphone pour pas que tu entendes le son à travers le micro. Parce que je pense ce qui arrive, c'est que le son de mon ordi, vu que moi j'écoute pas avec des écouteurs, tu dois le entendre qui revient dans le microphone. Donc, c'est peut-être pour ça que tu l'entends en double. Il fait chaud à Paris.
If you're watching this, you've probably seen some of my videos and you're interested in selling websites to local businesses. In this group, I'm going to show you guys how I went from 0 to 30K a month. You've probably seen some of my videos and you're interested in selling websites to local businesses. In this group, I'm going to show you guys how I went from 0 to 30K a month. You've probably seen some of my videos and you're interested in selling.
Ok, ouais, c'est pas si pire que ça, le son, là. C'est pas incroyable, mais je pense que ça passe. Je l'entends. Faut 30. Tac. Alors, je l'achète le cours ou... On va faire des recherches.
Most local businesses are losing thousands of dollars a month just because they don't have a real website.
Je vais dire à Claude aussi de faire ses recherches en même temps. Ouais, avant de faire des achats, j'aime toujours regarder un peu plus qu'est-ce qu'il y a sur le marché. Mais c'est cool ce qu'il fait, le mec, je trouve, quand même. Ok, allez, c'est parti. I need you to research the web, especially on YouTube. Go look for like 15 YouTube videos around the topic of creating AI videos and selling them to business owners. And I want you to crunch all of the transcripts. So learn everything and then come back to me with your learnings. Give me an analysis of what I should do. I have 90 days to do as much money as I can creating AI websites.
And the wild part is you can fix that with AI in under 10 minutes, even if you've never coded a thing in your life. In this video, I'm going to show you how to help local small business owners get more leads and more customers, and how you
Ok,
can
attends,
copy
attends.
my exact system to start earning $2,000 to $3,000 per client, even if you're starting from scratch. This is hands down one of the simplest, most beginner-friendly ways to make money online. You don't need to build a brand, you don't need to grind for months on end, and you definitely don't need to know how to code a website. All you need is a simple, repeatable system to find local businesses that need your help, spin up a smart AI website in minutes, and customize it just enough to make them look like rock stars. This is going to help them get seen on Google, capture leads, and make them more money. And the best part, I have nothing to sell. No courses, no coaching program, no upsells. All I ask is that you like the button to show some love, share this with a family member or friend that needs real ways to make money online, and comment free course below. And when you do that, I'll send over my free beginner-friendly course with all my templates, my scripts, and my step-by-step system to land clients and get paid. No fluff, no gatekeeping, just real systems that work even if you're starting from scratch. Let's dive in. I don't know about you, but anytime I need work around the house done, I'll instantly go to Google Maps and type in plumber near me, electrician near me, depending on the problem that I'm having. Then I'll scroll through the listings and look for the one with the most reviews, click their website, and make sure there's an easy way to contact them. If they don't have a website, I'm going to scroll on to the next one immediately. And this is where the gold mine actually happens. You're actually going to use Google Maps to identify the businesses that need your help, that have no website, have no automations, have no online presence. It's a golden opportunity for you to step in and solve that problem for them. So I quickly did a search, plumbers near me, and this is in Buffalo, New York, upstate New York. And if you just scroll down, you'll see there's a website here. You'll see the reviews, and the fourth one down, Syracuse Plumbing LLC. You click on it, and there's no website. So they have a decent amount of reviews, 53, 4.6, but there's no online presence as far as contacting them through a website. So this would be a perfect company to write down and come back to, or maybe open up in a new tab. So I just found 4 in a matter of 2 minutes. I would open up each and every single one of them, make sure I have their contact information. You could even put this into a Google. At their house, they go to Google, they look at reviews. You know, a website's going to help them rank much higher in Google. And you want to be in that top 3 to 5 as a business owner so that you can get more leads coming in and more sales. And that's what you can help these business owners do. And like I said, a lot of these service business owners, plumbers, electricians, carpenters, contractors, they're great at their craft, but they're not very good with the business side of things, with marketing and sales. So this is where you can come in, even if you have no skills, no coding. You can take this template and run with it. Super simple, drag and drop. I'll show you how to do that in a second. So you would basically take this and let's just choose template. So it's going to add it to the software. And once it's loaded up, you'll see how easy it is to basically replace the logo and just customize it a little bit with the services that they offer. And then you can pitch this as a pre-made, done-for-you website for the company. So you could just select this and go into your assets. You can upload their logo there. So then you have their logo. You can change out the coloring, put their name, email address, location, possibly put a picture of them behind them. You customize this. You'd spend maybe 10, 20 minutes customizing it, making it look super professional, have it working well, so that you can then take this website and pitch it to the business owner that you already have a pre-made website that you built them free, and if you just want them to take a look at it. And I'll go through all the scripts. I'll go through an email script, a phone script, and a text message script that you can use. Again, this was a kind of a remodeling contractor specifically for kitchens. So you would just change out the logo here, kind of a better picture in the background's name. You would just, change out the colors and make it customized to that business owner. And then an example of one that I did is Rose Cleaning Co. And this is a company and a client of mine that I personally helped create their smart AI website with. And this client paid me $3,000 for the smart website to basically have them rank higher in Google and get more leads coming in and put up sales. So the end of this, the business owner manager. Awesome. I'll keep this super quick. My name is Kellen. I specialize in helping local businesses get more leads and customers using a smart AI website. I actually built you a free website mock-up for your business and wanted to send it over so you could take a quick look. Nope.
What if the next client that you land doesn't care about ads, funnels, SEO, or any of that stuff? They just want one simple thing: a website that actually turns website visitors into booked appointments. And right now, most local businesses don't have that. Not because they're lazy, but because their website is like an online brochure from 2014 that doesn't capture leads, doesn't respond to those leads, doesn't book appointments for them, and it definitely doesn't make them money. So what happens? Leads come in, they don't get followed up with, and these businesses are silently losing thousands of dollars every single month without even realizing it. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how total beginners are jumping in, solving this problem by simply building AI-powered websites and turning around and selling it to these small local businesses for $300, $500, even $1,000 per month. And they're doing this not by being tech geniuses, but by turning their website into a 24/7 lead generating machine. And although results are never guaranteed, and your results will depend on your effort and energy, I've seen total beginners land their first clients faster than they ever thought possible. And just so we're clear, you don't even have to learn how to code. You don't have to build anything from scratch. You don't have to hire expensive developers to have them build something for you and then show you how. And as you guys know, if you're looking for a plumber and you're finding these get ranked higher on Google, have a website. So I went ahead and built one for you. Would you like to see it? Okay. Now, obviously, not every single business owner is going to reach out and respond and say, yes, I want to see it. But the best part about this model is you don't even have to go do any of the heavy lifting. You can paste a prompt in just like this: build me a professionally designed plumber's website for the business, and use the information from their Google My Business profile. Now I'm just going to paste in their Google My Business profile link, and then from here, I just hit enter. Now, real quick, while this website is building, if you want extended 30-day free trial to this AI website builder, AI software that I use, plus a free community to show you how to get clients, fulfill for those clients, scale up that business 100% for free, plus you get a one-on-one kickoff call, a free live bootcamp, and I'll even show you another model that I leverage with this software that I've used to make over $10 million online now. You get free access to all of those groups just by clicking down in the description and getting started with an extended 30-day free trial to the software. Okay, check this out, guys. Just a minute or two later, I'm just going to even move my head so you guys can see this. A fully designed, professionally designed website for Jerry's Plumbing. And this is something that once Jerry says yes, you can send this on over, and you can see all the information is automatically updated with the Google My Business profile link. So the phone number, the address, the hours of operation, everything from A to Z. So we can send this over, and not only does it not have a website, but this is a beautiful, professionally designed website. So when they see this, they'll be like, man, this is awesome. I love this. I totally want this. And you might be looking at this and say, well, Jason, how do you actually go through and make money with this? And that is the next step. Once you get them saying yes, and you build out this AI website and you present that to them, obviously they're going to want this website. Now, there are some simple ways that we can go through and optimize this website to generate more leads, book more appointments, and get more customers for this business. And this is where we'll be able to charge $300 to $500 per month per client. And the cool thing about this is these simple AI services, they're a one-time simple setup, and then this software, the AI, is doing a majority of the heavy lifting for you on a monthly ongoing basis. And the cool thing, as you guys are seeing already, you're able to go through and start this business, and you don't have to hire out website designers or anything like that. You can basically do this as a solopreneur and copy and paste a few prompts that I have inside of my private community that when you go through and get started with an extended 30-day free trial to the software, you'll get full access to. And so just kind of take a look at this whole business model right here. What we're doing is we're offering up a free AI website. So we have simple text messages that we're going to do an outreach, and inside of that community, you'll get free access to when you get started with an extended 30-day free trial. I have several ways that you can reach out to these business owners in bulk. So you're not just having to do one at a time, and so you're going to get more responses, more people saying yes, and then be able to go build these free AI websites. And then once they say yes and we build it, and they're like, man, this is awesome, then we offer an AI chat widget. And that is super easy to go through and do right here on this website as well, because now we can say, hey, all we do is tell AI, add a chat widget and train the knowledge base based on their Google My Business profile links. And just as easy as that, you've added a conversational AI chat widget to the website. You'll be able to convert more of their website visitors into actual sales conversations. And then we'll also offer a simple review automation, which once again, I show you how to do inside my free course with all the templates and scripts inside my free community that you get access to when you start an extended 30-day free trial to this AI software down below. And as we saw earlier, Jared's Plumbing has all 5-star reviews, but they only have 7 5-star reviews. So all we have to do is set up a simple automation one time that's going to reach out to past clients and invite them to leave a 5-star review. And then also we'll be able to set up auto missed call text back, which is as simple as clicking a button. And so any phone call that comes in that Jerry is not able to answer, which statistics show 63% of incoming calls go unanswered, any missed calls in the future, we're going to be able to have this AI automation software automatically send them a text to save the deal and continue the sales conversation. And then in addition to that, we can also set up a simple AI voice agent that is able to go through and handle all the calls. So when Jerry and his team, they're busy doing the actual jobs that people are paying them to do, real quick, this is not a sales video. I just want to point you in the right direction so you know where to get all of your freebies and bonuses that were promised. So put your credit card away. Not going to be charging you $997, not even $1, and I'm not going to be having you get a free strategy session with a member of my team, which we all know is just a sales call in disguise. We're doing none of that. What I'm going to show you guys today is how to make 5 to 10K per month in semi-passive income in the next 5 to 10 minutes. And then if you guys like what I have to share with you, all I'm going to do is invite you to create a free 30-day trial to a software that's going to help you automate and run this entire business. And then a course that most people charge $997 for, I'm going to give you that for free just for signing up for the software. So that is all I have to offer. So that is it. Now, with that said, I want to break down how to go through and make an extra $5,000 to $10,000 per month in semi-passive income. So I'm just going to pull up. So this is the title of today's presentation, and basically the business in a nutshell. This is not a typical social media marketing agency. We're running Facebook ads, we're doing SEO for clients, and then charging $1,500 to $2,000 per month, a price point that is way too much for any of these clients to actually afford. But what we're going to do is help small local business owners. We're going to offer them simple marketing systems and solutions via software. And then we're going to charge them anywhere between $300 to $500 per month. A price point these business owners can actually afford. Okay, now if we jump over here, I want to show you guys, this is a brand new business I started at the very beginning of the year. You guys can see this back here on my screen, and you can see it was flat, and then all of a sudden in January, I got a spike of new customers doing exactly what I'm going to be showing you guys. And then the great thing about this is creating monthly recurring revenue. And you can see up on the screen, I have over $16,000 in the last 60 days of monthly recurring revenue. Now, obviously, my results are not typical. I've been doing this for a number of years. I actually started my own software company back in 2015, exited that business in 2021 for a nice sum of money. And so I've done this before, but I want to show you guys that this actually works. Brand new business, started at the very beginning of this year. And then you can see in those bar graphs over there, you see my new customers, which are in green, and the yellow bar is my existing customers. So each month, it just builds upon itself, and you can make a pretty nice amount of money. Okay, now jumping back over here, today in this video, what I want to do is I want to just show you guys some of these simple services to go through and offer that literally take about 5 minutes to set up. And then you can get paid $300, $400, $500 per month on a monthly ongoing basis. And then after I show you guys all these services, you might be thinking, well, Jason, how do I go and get clients? How do I get them to say yes? What does the sales process look like? What is all that? Well, guess what? The cool thing for you is if you guys stick with me here for just a minute or two to go through this presentation, I'm going to give you guys my step-by-step course of everything that I have done in my own business, get well over 15,000 paying clients with my past software company for free. That's it. All I'm going to ask you to do is just sign up for a free 30-day trial to the software that we use that literally automates all of your, as far as the simple services that we're going to go through and offer, let me jump back here, and you're going to have a free extended 30-day trial right down below this video. But the first service that we're going to set up takes literally about 2 minutes to go through and set this up for a small local business owner. It's called Auto Missed Call Text Back. So here's the situation of why you would want to go through and use this. Let's say you're looking for a plumber and you're in Dallas, Texas. So you go type into Google, plumber, Dallas, Texas. So then you're going to go to the local listing and say, okay, public service plumbers, and you're going to give the text to that person. So it's connect button. We've already done it right here. They click connect. They sign into their Google account, Launchpad. And basically, we do this in 2 clicks. we connect their Google business listing, which basically all they have to do is sign into the software, click connect, see this connect button, we've already done it right here. They click connect, they sign into their Google account, and it's connected. And then what that does is it pulls in their Google My Business listing information, so their phone number, their address, all that different contact. And then you just come over here to settings, and then down here, and it says enable missed call text back. So they just check this on right here and click save. And now every single time somebody calls, but they don't pick up or answer, this automated text is going to go through and follow up them. It says, hi, this is, you can put in their business name, their personal name, whatever it is. I saw that we just missed your call. How can I help? And then this creates a text conversation that can be used for every single new call that comes in. And the crazy thing about that took literally less than 2 minutes to go through and set up. And it will give massive value to these small local business owners on a monthly basis. So they're going to be more than happy to pay you every single month. And guess what? Your fulfillment is basically zero. And then all of these text communications leads us into our next core service, core offering, which is a unified inbox. So right here, you're going to have all of the messages coming into this business. Like I said, this is just a demo account. But you're going to have all the texts, phone calls. It's going to even list reviews in here, Facebook messages, Instagram DMs. Any way that somebody's trying to connect with your business, instead of jumping from Instagram to Facebook to texting to emails to all these different platforms and potentially missing a message, it's all in this one unified inbox. And so either them or their secretary or assistant can jump on and respond to every single client. The cool thing is, it's just how this is. You're seeing this right here on your desktop. There is a mobile app they can go through and communicate with every single one of the leads as well. And the coolest thing about this unified inbox is there's literally zero setup needed on your end. It's already pre-built into the software, and it's going to automatically pull in all the different conversations from all these different platforms. So that is the second core service, which once again was basically no fulfillment on your end. Now, the third service that is absolutely crucial to all these small local business owners, let's jump back over here to this Google listing. So if we type in plumbers in Dallas, Texas, we want to go find a reputable business that we want to go through and work with. And so we look at this one has 361 4.7 star reviews, 1.2 thousand 4.9 star reviews. Up over here in the text message, you can see right there, and it will automatically pull up their Google business listing so you get more reviews and more 5-star reviews. And for those of you guys thinking, well, what if they didn't have a great experience? Well, that also incentivizes the small local business owner to make sure that everyone's having an amazing experience. So then when they get this automated message, they're going to leave a great review. So they're more likely to show up at the top of Google's results. Now, guys, that is just 3 simple services. And you can see there are so many other things that this software does. It's a full CRM. It can manage a small business owner's calendar, and you can connect different social media platforms and schedule posts to all these different social media platforms. Jump on a one-on-one kickoff time to time through the software. Jump in that free course. Literally, guys, no upsells, nothing to sell you. I have no other additional coaching program or $10,000 mastermind or anything like that. That's it. The software will get you guys the help you need to go through and grow your business because you see, I'm actually making my money growing.
One simple piece of software, you're going to link their social marketers.
AI voice agent can
AI is everywhere, so today I'm going to show you how to build a full website in 30 seconds. I'm talking click a button, type in a prompt, and the whole thing's done. But here's what nobody's actually telling you. How do you actually turn this into a real business that pays monthly recurring revenue? I'll show you how to find real clients that need the service, and then I'll even show you a live cold call of me calling one of these people up and actually selling this. And most importantly, I will show you how to charge these clients on a monthly recurring basis. Okay, look, first thing we have here is the planning phase. This is what you need to do. You need to pick a niche so that your life becomes easier. I promise you, as you get more clients, as you cross $5,000 a month to $10,000 a month, to not hate your life, you need to work with one industry. In the beginning, it's fine if you have multiple, if you need the cash. But my recommendation is contractors. These guys can build houses, but they certainly cannot build anything website or tech related, so they work perfectly for this service. I'm talking remodelers, roofers, plumbers, house painters. I have this entire spreadsheet, which I can link up in the description, of niches that you can actually go after. But even these random ones like pest control, absolutely crush. Next is going to be lead generation and outreach. So we need to find businesses on Google Maps, okay? And I found a free Chrome extension to really maximize your time and make you the most efficient that you can possibly be. Let's search the Las Vegas area, since I used to live there. I typed in landscaping Las Vegas. You can go ahead and hit search. Boom. Now it shows a bunch of these landscapers. So this right here is the plugin. It's actually in beta, so this plugin isn't even out yet. I was able to get early access, but once this comes out, I'll link it down below as well. And this is how it looks right here. So once you're on the page, you address, all of this, the Google Maps URL, right? What's their rating? What's their review count? All nicely inside of one sheet. And then once you have this list, you can categorize it by people that don't have websites right here. So they have nothing linked. Guess what? You can reach out to them and tell them something like this. Are you still open? Your website's closed for some reason. I actually built you a new one. Do you want to see it? Now, again, some of these people do have websites, but they just don't link it to their Google page. This is what I found. And this works extremely well because you don't actually have to build anything up front. What we're going to do is put together a template for their industry. Again, this is where niching comes into play. And now when they jump on a demo call with you, you show them that templated website. And hey, if they want to make changes, great. Now they have to pay your service and they can customize it to their business. You can also say something like this. Hey, are you guys still open? I'm actually a student just messing around with the new technology and I built you a talking website and it's ready to book appointments. Is it cool if I show you? Now, if you're wondering what exactly is a talking website, I will show you exactly what that looks like. This is how we build these websites all with AI. We use one software called Go Free Trial, tested a whole bunch of other ones. And for everything that we offer, like that talking website model, everything is inside of this one software. So for example, this is what makes it a talking website. This is one of our templates. It's actually a live client. And this is a conversation that I had. I first typed in testing. This is Pablo. I said, hey, Pablo, you're looking to book a phone call consultation. I'm happy to help. Why don't we get started? And I asked, what services do you provide? Essentially, what this little chat widget does is it goes through all their pages, right? It reads all their service pages. It reads their contact us page, about us page. It learns everything it can about this business. Then you link up your client's calendar to this little chat widget, and it automatically books an appointment. So now, instead of your client receiving website forms, they're waking up in the morning and they may have appointments on the calendar that AI already booked. Now, if you want to be slightly more advanced, what you can do is actually integrate voice AI into this chat widget. This is another website template that we have. And then what you can do is click pause here, and it will start a live conversation with AI that read all of the pages. So all of their location pages, all their service pages, it will learn everything about this business. And the website visitor can have a voice conversation with this website instead of trying to search for all these different pages. Now, look, I don't want to overwhelm you, but you can build this very, very easily. Now, when it comes to building these websites, there's a few things you can do. You can just head over towards this new website. You can choose from the templates. And the truth is, they have a lot of really, really beautiful templates already built right here. So just take one, and almost all niches are already in here, and just put the client's logo at the top. And now you can show it to them. Hey, this is the sample homepage that I built you, and this is a great place to start. To show you some samples, this is one of our templated websites. Here we have another. Here we have another. So here we have a plumbing template. Here we have a roofing template. I actually really love this one right here. And then we have this concrete one as well. If you want everything imported into your account, just copy and paste everything that we've built with a click, you can now do that. It's working like crazy, not just for me, but we've proven that this works for people with all kinds of experience levels and backgrounds. In fact, Go High Level themselves rated us the #1 course because of the results that we get from people and support that we give. I'm going to show you A to Z how to get clients, deliver results, grow your business, and then even hire employees to run it all for you. I'll even talk to you on Zoom and answer questions to make sure that you succeed. If you want all this for free, go to laptopceo.com and check out a link in the description. Now, look, maybe you found some website on the internet that you absolutely love, and you don't want to copy it, you want to take inspiration from it. I'm going to show you as well how you can do it. There's a little plugin that I found. Again, this one is also in beta by the same company, and I don't think it's out yet, but essentially what you can do is copy this website right here. You can head over to your dashboard. Let's say I'm starting a new website. We'll call it Test right here, and you can actually take someone else's website and paste it into your own account. And this is how it works. As you can see, this is a blank page. It's called Test. And I would just go in here and I would hit Paste, Copy, Funnel, and then it is loading up. So let's see how well it did. Okay, nice. So I just went from here. This is the site. Boom. Now all these are editable just like that. Now you have their entire website. Again, make sure you change this up. Don't go out on the internet and just start copying people's shit. Okay, so let's talk about website content. How can we actually build this website content and make it look good, make it sound good? This is what I have to do. I have a GPT bot. You can check it out right there. It's completely free. You don't need to do your email or anything else like that. It'll redirect you to a page that looks like this. And all you want to do is just paste in a screenshot of your website template. Just paste in your client's details. This is a sample client, and it will literally give you all the content. I've already trained it. We've used this internally for our website content, so I know it's good. Boom. Now we're ready to do the whole thing. It will read what section is where, and it will give you content for that section. Right? Why choose ABC landscaping and so forth? Like there's bullet points inside of our template right there, as you can see, or icons rather. So you take this content and just simply paste it in. It does that for the entire website. You can also use this to generate images. So everything is very easy. My recommendation: use one generic niche template to actually show your clients. Don't build one, and then once they want something custom, then you go in and use these tools and actually build them something. All right, let's talk about closing the deal and pricing. Hello.
Hi, this is Logan. Sorry, I need to call.
Oh yeah. Sorry, you broke up there a little bit. You said this is Logan, right? Yeah. I think I called you like 20 minutes ago, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I'm assuming you guys are still open because it did say closed when I tried to look you up.
Really?
Yeah, that's kind of weird.
Oh,
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay. Well, look, I actually built you guys a talking website and it's all ready and set up. Is that something you even want?
A website? No, we already have it.
No, it's a talking website. Like a smart website.
Website?
Like a super smart talking website.
Uh-huh. Could you send me a sample or something?
Yeah, man. I mean, look, it's already done, so I can send you like what I have. The thing is, I don't have it live on the internet, so I can't just send you a link. But if you want, I can show it to you. So if you're available, we can do a Zoom call, and I'll just show you what I have.
Okay. I can't do video for right now because I'm running right now to a meeting
Nice.
with the registration. But I will be free around 3.
Okay, you want to do 6 p.m. today?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, no, actually can't do right now either. I can do 6 p.m. though. So what's I'll send you the meeting link. What is your best email? Just send it there.
Gmail.
At Gmail. Okay, gotcha. Cool. All right, man. And what was your name, by the way? I didn't catch that. Julio. Hablas español?
Sí.
Okay. Qué bueno. I only speak a little bit. That's basically all I know. I know it sounded good, and I sound like I could be Latin, but that's really about it. So, all right, man. My name is Paul, by the way. Paul, yeah, Paul. Like, sometimes if I go to Latin. Let me first break down this pricing right here, which is going to be the high ticket route. So look, if you are an actual web designer, you have web design experience, you can sell these websites for $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 up front. This is what I used to do. But you can still do that. Charge me thousands of dollars because of your unique design. Maybe you can build them somewhere else. Just integrate it with Go High Level to use the features that I'm going to tell you about. And then you just charge $300 per month for continuing software access. So why do they keep paying us every single month? Let's go into that. What does a monthly recurring look like on this? First thing you want to do is obviously connect their domain to Go High Level. This is very easy to do. All you do is head over to where it says settings right here. You would hit domains. And then again, if you want to purchase a new one, you can do that. You can also transfer a domain inside of here, or you can just link it under external domains. You can say connect domains, and it's going to give you the records that you can paste in. Next thing is each client gets a sub account, and you can have unlimited for the same price that you pay to Go High Level. So whether you have 1,000 clients that are paying $300 a month, or 500 clients, or 100 clients, or 50 clients, or one client, you are paying Go High Level the same $300 per month. And that is the beauty of this entire model. As soon as you get your first client, you are profitable. And these are all the different sub accounts. It's going to appear up here. Now, I have to blur all this because these are my actual clients in here. But as you can see, I'm scrolling, and then still loading, and then I'm scrolling. And all of these clients are on here. They get their own account, they get their own logins. This is my logo at the top here, so they're logging into my software. And that's the best part because now your clients get way more than just hosting, if that's what you're used to selling. So what do they actually get, right? They get this, whether you call it a smart website or a talking website, or just in general, you're still doing solely web design, that's fine. You can offer that to them for free once you're doing custom sites. And then what they pay for is the backend autoresponder and the Google reviews. So you're wondering, how does that even work? This is the backend autoresponder. Look, what do clients really want? Do they care about a website, or do they care about getting more customers, more clients? That is it right there. What happens to someone when they fill out a form on your website that you actually built them? When do they follow up with their clients? Well, oftentimes it's not fast enough, or they just don't follow up because that email goes to spam. So what we do is we automatically text and email those people that fill out the website form on our client's behalf. And all you have to do is just integrate it right here. And then you can have smarter automations that ask, did they reply to the SMS? Yes, no, okay, they did reply. Was it positive? Was it negative? Oh, it was positive. Send them a booking link. So now the person can book automatically from these automations and maximize the amount of money that they're making from this website that you built them. Okay, it's negative. Okay, let's notify the client. Hey, Mr. Client, this person said something negative. Okay, then it automatically sends to the Google listing gets boosted, the reputation gets built, and then we integrate those reviews in their website as well. And so now their business is much more reputable and much better on all accounts. And by now, hopefully, you're starting to see the benefit. What I want to cover is the mobile app. So this is what we install for each client. We get them to do this on their phone, and this links up directly with your Go High Level account. And all they see is just their sub account, like I showed you. And now all their appointments, you're getting them from their website. Right? All the leads, all the opportunities, all the conversations they're having are now happening inside of this one app. So you want to train your clients to check this out, to use this app as much as humanly possible, because this is why they keep paying you every single month. They don't want to see this freaking back end. Okay, they want to just be on their phone when they're driving, when they're working. They want to be able to check it real quick and see, hey, how many appointments do we have? Right? How many leads did we actually generate? This is why they keep paying you every single month, because their leads keep popping in. So look, if you want to watch me cold call and actually get clients live, I'm going to link up this video for you next. What if I told you that right now there are thousands of local businesses in your area that are losing customers every single day simply because their website is outdated or doesn't even exist at all? And the crazy part, most of these local business owners are desperately willing to pay somebody to fix it. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create and sell these simple websites to local businesses, even if you've never built a website before, even if you're not in business. AI is everywhere, so today I'm going to show